Hello, I'm Lena Stevens with the Power Path, a shamanic practitioner with the Power Path, and this is part of my how-to series on how to use a rattle. So we talked about, in a previous one, we talked about in general what rattles are and how to choose one. So this YouTube is about how to use a rattle for dispelling energy, for shaking things loose that feel stuck, and for releasing. So for this particular one, I chose a big rattle with a big sound. And as I explained in the other YouTube, this rattle has a picture of an owl. So owl is a particular ally that can help energetically with what I'm wanting to do with the rattle as well. So here I have the rattle, and again, program the rattle. This is my rattle. I don't let anybody else use it. And I feel a little stuck. I feel like I've maybe even taken on somebody else's energy, or I feel like things are just not moving in my life. I feel like I'm carrying a burden for somebody else, or perhaps even for myself, but it's old and it needs to go. So I'm asking this rattle, and of course the spirit of owl, but I'm asking this rattle to help me shake that energy loose. So I ask it, rattle, you are instructed to help me shake that energy loose. Then you can either do a general shakedown of yourself, or you can go to a particular place in your body where you feel that their energy is stuck. And very often we feel heaviness in our hearts, or we feel like there's interference in our head, or we feel like we're carrying a load down in our dantian area. So this is the general one. Okay, so you can do a general one if you have someone that can help you. They can get your back as well. Or you can go just to a particular spot. So let's say I feel a heaviness in my dantian. Well, then I can just go there and rattle, 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 shake it loose, shake it loose, shake it loose. Now, once you've done that, you have some energy that needs to be dispelled further. So you can also use your rattle to take it and just imagine it as a stream of energy that needs to leave. And you can do this. You can ask it, the rattle, to help it leave. Or you can do other things like breathing and bringing in some new great light into your being. And, or if you have a smudge stick, you can smudge yourself. But the rattle is a very, very useful tool. And it will help you either to bring energy in or to dispel it.